Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to start the first chapter of supplementary, The Tiny Teacher. So in today's video, I'll share the summary of this chapter. So now let's start the summary. As you know very well about the ants, and you also know that ants are very hardworking. So this story is also about the ant. It means The Tiny Teacher is a story about an ant. And ant is very smallest but intelligent, disciplined and hardworking creatures. If we look closely, we can learn so many things from this tiny teacher. For example, we can learn how to become disciplined, sincere about our duties, and fulfill our responsibilities with full dedication. In fact, ants are very hardworking, disciplined, and dedicated to their duties. They also carry out their tasks very sincerely. So we can learn all these good qualities from the tiny teacher ant. So in this chapter, it is also talked about the ant's life, which is totally exceptional. The ant is the smallest but wisest creature. They are commonly red or black. They live in homes that is called ant hill, which has many rooms and space to live other ants. They have queen ant that lays egg in some of the rooms. Those rooms are used as nurseries for young ants and the young ants called grub. There is no quarrel and fight in ant's house because everyone fulfill their duties peacefully. And you can see each ant has certain duties which they do intelligently and bravely. It means the duties and responsibilities are divided among the ants, and every ant does its duty very carefully and never try to interfere in others' duty. That's why they live very peacefully and they have no quarrel among them. They have different duties, such as some ants perform their duties as cleaner, some as nurses, workers, soldiers, and trainers. So every ant is very sincere and careful about its duty, and this sincerity and care and sense of awareness about the duties and responsibilities lead them towards a peaceful life. And also the queen ant has two wings which it gets rid of. It means the queen throws out its wing after its wedding flight. Then it lays eggs. The young ant learn their duties from old ants and ready to survive in the world of work like cleaners, soldiers, workers and trainers. The ants also allow other creatures to live in their ant hill for many purposes, such as to get good and pleasant smell, sweet juice and playthings. People should learn many good qualities from this wisest creature, such as hardworking, sense of duty, discipline, loyalty towards the country. Although ants are tiny creatures, but they are big teachers. Human can learn hard work, duty, discipline, cleanliness, and caring for young ones, and firm loyalty to the land where they live. So, by working intelligently and bravely like ants, and behaving in a non-interfering way, we also can live peaceful life. This is the summary of this first chapter, The Tiny Teacher. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.